Okay, so today I just want to show how to create a project in Eclipse IDE and how to compile it. I assume if you're watching this, you're a beginner, so we're going to skip over some things that you don't need to know right now. And then also, you do need Eclipse IDE and Java installed. There are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to do that. Go ahead and get started. So the first thing is you want to create a project. So go to File, New, Java, Project. And then you can name the project whatever you want. I'm going to name it my project. Don't worry about the Java runtime environments. Just click finish. Don't worry about creating modules for now. Okay. So for you to compile your project, you need a class and you need a main method. So we're going to go ahead and click here. I'm going to click to create a new class. And classes have to have a package. And I'll show you the hierarchy later. So here's my package. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it my project. By convention, it is first letter is lowercase. The class, you can name it whatever you want, basically. And then by convention, the first letter is capitalized. If you clicked right here, you would be finished pretty much. That would create your main method. But if you are a beginner, I suggest you don't do that until you actually memorize how to create your main class. So I'm not going to do that. Okay, here's the hierarchy. As you can see, you have your project. Inside your project, you have your source folder. Inside that, you have your package. Inside that, you have your class. And inside of that, you have your main methods, which you won't see. It will actually will not display. So I'm going to create the main method, public static void main string. Now, for your project to compile, it has to look exactly. Sorry, public static void main. Exactly like this. If it's not, it will not compile. This last part, you can put whatever you want, ARG, ARGS, any kind of parameter name is fine. And that is it. Go ahead and compile it.